Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to manage customer accounts and profiles in your Shopify store. So before starting this video, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify store, and then once you are logged in you will click on settings, and then from here you will click on customer accounts. So we have a bunch of different options here. So the first one is accounts in online store and checkout. Customer accounts let customers log in to track orders, view order history, and save addresses for faster checkouts. So basically, if your website offers sign up support for your customers, like when customers come to your website they can actually create their own account to track their orders, view their order history, and save addresses for faster checkout, then you can basically use this section here. So for the new customer account, customers log in with one time code sent to their email. They don't need to create an account or password. Okay. And then self server returns you can turn on. You can basically give them a separate URL as well for the for each customer, and then classic customer accounts and then URL. So this is the settings for that. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you